Yo, VF Cruz versus vlog. Hey Calvin, can we do the siblings TikTok?
Maybe.
There's a girl like literally shot her pants in freaking toilet at school. At school.
Alright, we're heading to Walmart. Yo, Dad. Do girls poop?
Stop. Being ridiculous.
Alright, we're done with groceries. $88 later. We're not done yet. So, once Owen's done with church and Bo's done going to the doggy park, then we are going to start making the wings. So, I will get to you when we start cooking. What's up, guys? So we have our chicken that we pre-washed and we're gonna put in the bag, you know, by my dad. My dad's gonna handle all the meat and stuff like that. And we got this recipe, and we're gonna use buttermilk and pickle juice. And the reason why we're doing pickle juice is because, think about it. Whenever you order, like, is it true that every time you order something that's deep fried, you get a pickle with it? Well, we're doing the same thing, so it doesn't matter. We just roll with the punches. So after we put the chicken in there, we're gonna put some cut pickles, of course.
Pickles.
Okay. And what we do is we take the pickle juice and we just pour.
Alright, don't waste all of it, because I need some for the pickles.
We pour.
Plus, that's a lot of
Pickle juice.
And we're gonna take the, we gotta shake this up first. Okay, now we're gonna add our buttermilk.
Larry.
Like that.
Down the hatch.
More? Alright. Cool. So now,
Now, I dare you to take a sip of that.
oh!
Is it too salty?
How do people drink that stuff? Oh, ugh.
It reminds me of that one episode where Stewie made like
Oh, it's on my lips.
robot friends, and he like drank a bottle of something. I don't know, but
Why is that a
like
thing?
that.
Why do people drink that stuff?
Well, mostly it's used for cooking, but
Why is it yellow?
Yo. Guys, we're about to make this chicken
Okay, you
wings.
don't want to go over there.
Guys, this is a Carol family vlog. We got Bo.
What we value most should be held in our hands. A trust that fuels us to know exactly where we stand.
Here's my recipe, my idea. I came up with it, nobody else.
Okay.
You're gonna want to hold it. Okay.
I'm too tall.
You get Frank's Red Hot, new seal.
Oh.
Smell that?
Oh, that's clean, bro.
Okay.
Oh snap, Bo. You get some water?
All right.
Love it. A Lubbock tard.
One or basically, hold up. Or basically one Bojangles.
Oh, okay. One love of tard.
I can't think of any other purpose of lard.
Ooh.
Wait, you smell that? Miss Cheeseman.
Bro, Miss Lottie, how'd you get in there?
just like you. Call me total retard.
Okay. All right. Look it. What does this look like?
I'll go.
What does this look like?
Looks like
Looks like candle wax.
It's a smile. It's like Travis Scott's smile. We got Dad on the scene. We got Daddy on the scene. Nice. 1 scoop. Nice, 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 nice. 2 scoop. Nice, nice, nice. Nice.
Okay, relax.
You're out of control.
Should see me on average. I'm more hyped than this.
Wait, hold on. Let me like. Then the devil tried to tell me that I'm average.
But God then turned me into a savage.
Whole thing.
That's not how it goes.
I don't care.
Do we have to use the whole thing?
Yeah.
I think so.
I believe so. So why don't you just like cut around it and then just plop it in?
I think balls.
Doesn't work.
Quite
for me.
honestly.
Just.
Well, the thing is, it's a good thing that the lard wasn't like refrigerated.
I hope it's enough.
Believe it is. That's only gonna fill up to like that. So wait.
Tell me the 2 most useless things on earth. What's the point of lard except for wings and for a lantern? And tell me what do people do with cabbage? What do they do if they have leftover cabbage?
Make cabbage soup. Oh, do that again. Just like stare off.
With the scoops? All right.
Oh snap! You got all of them almost.
I know. That's surprising.
Oh, that's plenty. That is plenty.
Well, this is all gonna melt.
So I don't know about you, but Bo looks like a tub of lard. You excited to try this, Dad? Oh my! You know what? You know what? Oh, hey, cameraman. Think about this. VF Cruz $100 wing recipe. I'm even thumbnail.
Wow. Guys, so
Because that's how petty I am.
those are the scoops of lard. Oh shoot.
It's
Job, man.
not even melting. It's not even hot.
It's not hot, bro. Don't even. Shouldn't
How do you say this?
Well, I would pronounce it as Worcestershire sauce.
What was it? What was the first one? 360?
350. And then again for 350.
Yo, guys, who wants to see my room, guys? Right, Bo?
Yes.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go see my
Oh,
room.
no one. Look what Mom came home to.
What is that?
It's all her perfume.
What happened?
Dad, look what Mom came home to.
What,
Guess who did it?
Grace? Was that Gracie? I'm assuming it was. Okay, guys, it's dark.
Oh shoot.
I'm about to go to my room. It's pretty dark. There you go. There's Tobin the Bozo's room. And only reason there's blow-up mattresses is because we just got the flooring done. You can see, I think we're currently still working on the flooring a bit. You see that? And we got the flooring here and stuff. So we're currently working on the flooring, but yeah, I know. We got my stuff. It's kind of cool. My room's nice. It's a lot big. It's really big. A lot bigger than my mom's in our house. Got the Poland flag. Got the Oculus. The guitar. You can see me right there recording. Got my backpack, and then I have these shades. Got these outside.
Help me!
What?
Woo!
Oh shoot. Nah, I didn't get it.
Stop.
Oh shoot.
Oh,
He's
gosh.
ripping it.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, go.
Watch. Oh, shoot. Bo and I boxing?
Guys, we're doing the dredge now.
It's drudge. All right, Dad, can you cube the butter out for me, please?
Yes, Mr. Bossy.
Okay, okay. Now we've got to make sure your hands are clean. If you can make...
Yo, can I like stick it under?
Yep. This is 24 aerial view of me washing my hands. You get to watch that now. Try that off. What?
Alright.
I guess we're doing pizza and wings.
We're doing both. Do I do auto exposure? Alright boys, we just had to dry off the GoPro. It was kind of stupid to put it under, but I gotta get the pizza, the DiGiorno. Ooh. Okay, well, Dad, just one?
Oh, okay, I'm gonna need that pot because you're not supposed to cook it yet.
What?
Because that's what Nick said. See?
Put it over here.
Oh.
What? Why are we doing this? I know what I'm doing. It should be in.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we're adding the mayo.
We're adding the sauce. Hey, Dad, are you ready for the sauce? No ketchup.
Oh, hold on. Let's put this down.
Gotta get it melted. Oh snap.
That's Liddy in the city. Oh, and I only have limited storage.
I know. I'm only getting what you
How much
get.
hours do I have?
Hey,
An hour 48.
Okay, look at.
hey.
You should have 32%.
Oh, look at. Oh, I have the.
Oh, the charger. Okay. That looks.
You could just put the whole bottle in.
Yeah.
I already
It's mild
have.
though, so it's okay. Let's go, dude. This thing's so good.
This is all from me. Like I said, it's always going to be from me. So whatever you think other YouTubers I make, he copied me.
Yeah, okay. Like, I don't think I need to sit here and show you the entire process of mixing this sauce, so.
We're just gonna skip till the sauce is like.
We're just gonna skip to the dredge.
All right, we're going shopping. All right, bye, Owen. Love you. Say it back. Yeah. All right, let's go, Dad. Smooth like butter, like criminal undercover. All right. Time lapse. What?
Don't film that right now.
Why not? A little bit of dad and son Q&A.
No.
All right, time lapse. All right, we arrived at Winco. So, let's just go. We've also decided to get some drinks as well. Owen would like blue. Calvin would like light blue. I would like white. Psych, that's the most disgusting color. Hook up Huey. I'll grab lime cucumber. Is the worst flavor there is. Ooh, lemon lime. I'm gonna cop myself a refreshing yellow. I know you're gonna be like, oh, who's this kid who got the yellow? I did. All right, let's go to pay. All right, let's go home. Sorry, I forgot you guys. So we need all of this potato starch. Okay.
Well, we even need that much?
Yep. Then
Yeah, flat it out, flat it out.
we're gonna need some garlic powder. My bad. My fault.
Is that what it said?
Yep.
It's not open.
There's open garlic powder right there, though.
Yeah, so you might want to use that.
Okay. Right here.
That much?
That's not a lot.
It's
Oh.
really not.
So, I have a question.
What's up?
I noticed that said that you need ball sack powder. So, did you buy any?
Dad, we forgot the ball sack powder.
Man,
I'm not gonna be in your videos if you're gonna keep doing that.
guys, that was just a yolk.
Yeah, we were just yoking around. Okay, we got, what is that, more garlic? Okay.
The more seasoning, probably the better.
Chili powder.
Salt. That's how we do things in the Carroll family. Salt.
Cracked pepper.
Oh yes.
Yep. And we also need chili powder.
Not cayenne?
We could add a little bit of,
I don't think we need chili powder.
Look at video and just confirm it.
It'll be fine.
Nah. We do need chili powder.
Okay, we need chili powder.
It's gonna taste good.
Let me see. I got it.
Open it up, bro.
Okay.
I think that it's gonna turn out good.
It's gonna turn out phenomenal.
Let's go. Dab with the scoop. Dab with the stirring. You know, that's just how we do it.
I can't smell it. I just can't open it.
Focus on the coquina. Come on.
Oh, you can't be serious.
Oh wow, he got it. Let's go.
Okay.
Wow, that looks so cool. Looks so weird in person. Okay, this dredge is good.
Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go grab the...
Wait, do we have like an egg? Is there like an egg batter? Oh yeah, that's the buttermilk. I'm so stupid. Right, Bo? I'm dumb. So I'm gonna have to hold.
While you.
It's been marinating in pickle and
Buttermilk.
buttermilk.
For, he said, for maybe how long, Dad?
Just get all that, shake all the excess off.
Okay. Ooh, that's a big boy. That is a mean one. And
Okay.
wait, dry with the. You might want to do the opposite hand so you don't get your hands like all powdery. Do it the opposite. Okay. You go left hand is dry,
Make sure it's covered.
dry mixture, and then the right hand's wet mixture.
Okay.
Toss her in.
Right here, right there.
Okay, that's
Good
one.
stuff.
We're gonna cut it out so when we get to the last one. Guys, it looks like looks like VF Crew himself, guys. Looks like Tobias is finished with the last one. Double dredge it just for like the extra like thing. So wait, did Nick? I don't think you throw that away yet.
Why?
Wait, what did Nick say for the second one where he just tossed it back in again?
No,
Fry.
you don't put it back in here. This
Oh.
is just a brine.
Oh. So the lard is to like cook it and then you put it in the sauce, right?
Nope.
Oh,
Yeah. So the potato starch will help make it crispy,
No, that's it.
and the
Put it
lard
back.
will cook it.
Put it in. I think that one needs to be double dredged a little bit more.
Oh, it is.
That one for sure. Oh, my timer.
Bleeding! How is it bleeding?
I can't, bro. It looks like the pizza's done. Because the alarm just went off. Let's look at the pizza together, guys. Ooh, guys, I think that's enough. Oh, it's hot. I think that's enough, guys. That smells good too. There you go. That's good. Double judge that. No, I can't speak. Double judge that. Hey, what? Let's go check out the oil.
Open that.
Guys, I won't open it. Never mind. Ooh, snap from.
Oh, great.
Guys, that's just on YouTube. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna see what's in it. Guys, we're experiencing this together. We're gonna experience what's in. Guys, I'm leaking Tobias's passcode. Psych. Yeah, I guys need to see the passcode. That's the video Nick DiGiovanni stole from us. The idea. This is the bit that
Now, reality can be whatever I want.
Bo, stay inside.
Here are the crispiness.
Yeah, okay. Bo? Don't even think about it.
Ooh.
Oh, it stanks, bro. I'm social distancing. Careful, that's gonna fall on the floor already, you can tell. What? Never mind. There you go.
Hey, Owen, can you take? Be careful, that's hot underneath.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna put you down for a second. Alright. Yo, turn. Anyway, the chicken made it successfully. I made it.
Oh, give me the GoPro. Give me the GoPro. Alright. I'm gonna fry that till golden brown. You ready?
I don't think so.
You smell ready?
Yeah. They look ready. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Here. I need 4 more.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Oh my, if my forehead was less.
Look at the comparison between that and that. Cinematic B-roll. You know what time it is, guys? Cinematic B-roll time. Dad, take a bite.
Don't stick it in my face, bro.
What's your rating?
That skin is legit.
Yeah. I rated it about 8 Mark Ruffalo's. What do you rate it?
You know what? I rated about 9.4 stingrays.
Dad, what do you rate it out of 10? What do you rate it out of 10?
I like it. I'd say 8, 9.
9 bookshelves. You heard it first. Me, 8 Mark Ruffalo's, 9 Stingrays, and 9 bookshelves. Bojangles, what do you think? 9 beers? Cool. So that was a success,
Some pizza too.
and delicious dinner is served.
I didn't cut him in.
Alright, so this is the aftermath. My idiot brother, he forgot to record.
Stop it.
I'm just joking. Oh, that's the biz. Alright, Owen, record me taking a bite.
The wings from Token.
Ooh!
It might be really hot.
Yeah.
Nobody set a second timer though.
No. So I'm assuming that it's probably done.
It's still hot, what the heck?
Yeah, I would not take a bite. Oh, it's crispy, bro.
It's 10 times hotter on the inside.
Wow.
Yo.
All you do is taste the sauce.
That's the stuff.
How's
Just
the
eat it,
juicy
bro.
factor?
Eat it. Just take a bite. Is it raw? Let me see it. It's cooked, bro.
Owen's point of view.
Let me get this because it's pretty hot.
The sauce was delicious.
This is just for hot, not because I'm a weakling and don't like spice. I love the spice. Guys, you can hear it.
Yeah. Me and Dad did good. And what do you rate it?
1 being the worst or 10 being the best? Or what?
1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
I
give it a
after
2.
12 minutes in a deep fryer, they're cooked.
Yeah.
Move.
For real,
10. I give it a 10.
a 10. Yo. Dad, take a bite.
Don't stick it in my face, bro.
Oh, well, man.
What's your rating?
That skin is legit.
Yeah. I rated it about 8 Mark Ruffalo's. What do you rate it?
You know what? I rated about 9.4 stingrays.
Dad, what do you rate it out of 10? What do you rate it out of 10?
I like it. I'd say 8, 9.
9 bookshelves. You heard it first. Me, 8 Mark Ruffalo's, 9 Stingrays, and 9 bookshelves. Bojangles, what do you think? 9 beers? Cool. So that was a success,
Some pizza too.
and delicious dinner is served.